So 110.4k impressions, 70.2k ad reach, and even 16 ad frequencies. These are all statistics that you can be getting from using this same strategy to promote on Facebook for absolutely free and promote your business online for free using the strategy, and you're starting right now. But before I forget, if you're new to the channel, welcome to this channel where we teach you how to monetize your smartphone and make a living online from your smartphone, and we still pay you at the back end from learning our own strategies. If that sounds awesome and incredible and new to your hearing, click the number one link in the description to a totally free video that will teach you what you need to do to get paid every single month by watching our videos. With that being said, let's jump and continue into today's video. When you are on Facebook, the first thing you would want to do is to go out and search for groups that have hundreds and thousands of members that are active, posting 100 times, 10 times, 50 times, 500 times per day. Groups that are very much engaging. It might be groups that are not even actually under your niche, just random Facebook groups that are really blowing up and viral right now. So after joining a bunch of them, as you can see here, I have joined some pretty awesome groups that I'm going to be using for this promotion strategy. So now, after joining all these groups, you would want to go and create a page. Now, as I said before, this page doesn't have to be niched down at all. You can just create a page surrounding something that is actually trending right now, things people are liking, things people are sharing on Facebook. Now, you would, after creating your page, you would want to make a post welcoming people or consistently putting out value or giving out content on that viral topic. For instance, it could be about food. If food is something that is trending on Facebook, you need to be posting about food. Next, you will click on the share button on your page. That post you put on your page, you will click on the share button. Then you share them to all those groups that you joined on the beginning of this video. And because those groups are very engaging and are related to those pages, the people would want to like and follow that page. Now, Facebook doesn't ban or have any kind of restriction for pages, so they will allow you to share your post to thousands and multiples of groups without even banning any single of your post or account. Now, this works perfectly because it's absolutely free and you don't need any money. Now, when your page has gotten to hundreds and thousands of followers, you can now, which you can do within a few weeks, and now you can now start publishing things about JVZoo products that are related, or you can start putting out content related to your JVZoo product. Then you start getting clicks, start getting earnings, and start making money through JVZoo, ClickBank, or any other means that you want to make money online. That has been our video for this episode. Make sure to click on this video showing right here or linked in description, which will go further teaching you more awesome strategies to make money through JVZoo affiliate program. And this is absolutely free. You can use the strategy and make a killing online. Now you also want to click the number 1 link in description, where we show you how you can make money on YouTube without having a YouTube channel, without having to publish any video, or even having to comment on anybody's video. You will still be making hundreds and thousands of dollars every single month with YouTube. So I am hoping to see you on this next video.